Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today, we are going to continue our Ancient Civilization series by looking at ancient civilization in China. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Alrighty, let's go. The earliest civilization in China grew along the Huang River. This river carries loess, or fine wind-blown yellow soil, which raises the water level. People suffered from the river's frequent floods. The need to control the water likely led to the rise of government. The Shang dynasty began about 766 BC. Kings ruled along with princes. The princes were probably the heads of clans or groups of families claiming a common ancestor. Shang warriors used leather armor, bronze weapons, and horse-drawn chariots. They may have learned of chariots as they interacted with other Asian peoples. The Zhou people overthrew the Shang in 1122 BC. They promoted the mandate of heaven, or divine right to rule. This idea later expanded to explain the dynastic cycle, or rise and fall of dynasties. If rulers became corrupt, heaven would withdraw support and dynasties would fail. The Zhou established feudalism, where lords governed their own land but owed military service and support to a ruler. In the 600s BC, iron tools made farming more productive and the population increased. The Zhou dynasty ended when fighting feudal lords could not be controlled. During the Shang dynasty, the Chinese prayed to many gods and nature spirits. During the Zhou dynasty, two great thinkers emerged, Confucius and Laozi. Confucius developed a philosophy, or system of ideas, that greatly influenced Chinese civilization. Confucius was concerned with social order and good government. He emphasized 5 key relationships between people. Filial piety, or respect for parents, was everyone's highest duty. Laozi founded Taoism about the same time. It emphasized that people should live in harmony with nature. They should look beyond everyday cares and focus on the Tao, or the way. One great achievement of early China was silk making. The Chinese kept the technique a secret for many years. They also developed a system of writing at least 4,000 years ago. Questions were written on oracle bones. After heating the bones, priests interpreted the answers. Later, a writing system evolved that included thousands of characters, or written symbols. The Chinese then turned writing into an art called calligraphy. Okay, recap time. Early Chinese civilization grew along the unruly Huang River, a muddy mess thanks to loess, aka wind-blown yellow dirt, that caused floods so often it practically begged for government intervention. The Shang dynasty, 1766 BC, brought kings, clan-based princes, and warriors with leather armor, bronze weapons, and horse-drawn chariots. Basically, ancient China's version of a Mad Max movie. The Zhou dynasty, 1122 BC, ousted the Shang, introduced the mandate of heaven, heaven's performance review for rulers, and kicked off feudalism. Iron tools boosted farming, and the population boomed, until feudal lords got too feisty and the Zhou crumbled. Meanwhile, Confucius focused on respect and order, Laozi on nature and the Tao, and the Chinese invented silk making and a writing system so intricate it became an art form. They even grilled oracle bones for answers, proving they were multitasking geniuses with a flair for the dramatic. There you have it, folks. That is ancient civilization in China, nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to smash some button for me, all of them. And I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.